We'll guide you through how to make video shorts loop in Canva for mobile. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your smartphone and make sure your device is running properly without any issues. Check that your screen is responsive and all functions are working smoothly. Then, open the Canva app and wait for it to fully load. Make sure Canva is working normally so you can continue the process without interruptions. After the app is ready, tap on Create a Design to begin your project. Choose the video format, then select a vertical format that is suitable for short videos. Once selected, wait for the editor to open completely so all tools are available. Inside the editor, tap on Uploads to bring your media into the project. Upload your video clip from your device and wait until the upload process is complete. Once finished, tap on the video to add it to the canvas. Resize the video so it fits the canvas properly and adjust its position if needed. Next, tap on the video timeline at the bottom of the screen. Look at the video duration displayed below to understand how long your clip is. Then, tap on the video clip again to make sure it is selected. After selecting the clip, find the three-dot icon in the options bar below. Tap on the three-dot icon, and a menu will appear with several options. Look for the duplicate option and tap on it. A copy of your video clip will appear in the timeline. Place the duplicated clip right after the first clip so they play continuously. If needed, repeat the duplication process to create multiple copies. Arrange all clips in sequence to form a longer video that appears to loop smoothly. Make sure the transitions between clips are smooth. Pay attention to how one clip ends and how the next one begins. Try to match the end and start frames so the loop looks seamless. If necessary, add a simple transition to improve the flow between clips. After arranging everything, preview the loop playback to see how your video looks. Watch carefully to ensure there are no awkward cuts or jumps. Done, your looping video is ready.